that is all the way back, okay? So straight up and down, we're 12 o'clock boys right now, okay? You are gonna be nowhere near 12 o'clock when you're wheeling, okay? So that's step one. Go ahead and set it down and we'll move on to step two. Okay, so now you've understood the balance point, kind of. You gotta get comfortable with that. Just understanding how much throttle you need to get that front end into the air, because that's going to be the next step. Now, before we get that straight up into the air, I want you to practice using your rear brake. Your rear brake's here for your help, right? It's your best friend, especially when you're doing slow wheelies, okay?